Patrick Lewis, coach of Marti.
Here today with coach of Marti High School, Patrick Lewis. Good day, Mr. Lewis. Please speak to us about today's performance, first and foremost.
Well, basically we're going this game to get a result and a favourable one because this is our home game. We did not get that result, we got a draw, but basically I thought we should have won this game.
Alright, coach. Going up against Kingston College, you know, one of, if not the favourites to win the Manning Cup. You guys came out and you fought and you put up a formidable performance. Speak to us about your game plan going into the game knowing that you were playing a favourite of this Manning Cup.
Well, basically, two teams, right? Same like, oh, we have a chance, they have a chance. They have weaknesses, they have strengths. So we capitalize on their weakness, and that's what kept us in the game so long.
Alright, coach, it's clear that you managed the guys really well. Speak to us about some individual performances. You know, your goalkeeper and captain, he was absolutely amazing today, always in the right position, making great save time after time. Speak to us about his impact on the game today.
Basically, Gavin Messam is his third year or fourth year in Manning Cup. So he's well experienced and he knows what to do in a given situation. So he's always going to keep us in the game.
Alright, coach, a big match on the return leg in the Stadium East where KC has always played their home football. There will be a lot of KC fans there. How do you think you guys will fare in this return leg?
Basically, same like how we have a chance, they have a chance. We are not deterred by the fact that we are going away. We are just going to play some good football.
Alright, coach, and lastly, coach, will you adjust the game plan considering that it's an away game, or will you come with the same strategy, same type of style of play?
Well, basically we have to assess the game, and after we assess the game, then we can make that adjustment if there is an adjustment.
Alright, coach, thanks again.